So, dear friends, so we are planning to have a 3-day management development program for supply chain management. Now, one unique feature of this MDP, it will be more of how to apply, how to do and how to take decisions related to supply chain management at various stages. So, including starting from the concept, explaining the frameworks, what is new in supply chain management which was not there long before when supply chain was existing, which are the new concepts, what are the frameworks to analyze, what is the basic theory. This we wish to discuss in detail initially. Then directly we move on to various tools and techniques, which will definitely include decision related to demand forecasting, demand management, in-company logistics, in the APICS form, what is manufacturing planning and control framework, ERP and MRP, and also the operations within the shop floor, then extend it to beyond on the supplier and the customer side. The unique way of this workshop is the pedagogy. It is like a workshop model. Number of application exercises have been developed by us. And these exercises are converted from case studies. Real actual case studies are converted to exercises. And these application exercises will be discussed. And the participants are going to get an opportunity to have hands-on experience in solving real life problems. And the problems will include item related with network design, location model, network optimization model, then designing a just-in-time system, different inventory models, how to apply, what is the appropriate inventory model for a specific case. Suppose you take a mall, when number of items are ordered from the same vendor, what is the model, selecting the appropriate model, then you yourself will be developing the different models. So, it is quantitative in nature, that does not mean it will be complex. On the contrary, ideas will be developed from the very basic in a simple way. Any person can do that. Then we will move to where practically these spreadsheet models can be developed by you, applied to your own cases, that is the pedagogy. Now, some people ask to whom it is applicable. The supply chain management is applicable. If you are working in any related in supply chain area, it is applicable. It has no specific vertical, whether they are from the pharma company, automobile company, it makes no difference. So, examples are taken from across vertical. We have conducted similar MDP program for companies like Tata Chemicals, Tata Motors, HP, and we have found that these have been applied there and proved to have result. So, it is a good opportunity for you to participate in this 3-day workshop and experience the how you can make the supply chain effective. The important thing is we will be connecting whatever decisions you take in the supply chain, how it is related to the financial result, not only the revenue, but also the profitability. So, all items like your inventory turnover, the capital turnover, the cash to cash cycle, time reduction, lead time reduction. So, various tools and techniques to have direct impact of your supply chain decision on the finance will be also discussed. In addition, we are going to discuss, see, 3 days, it will not be possible to cover large number of cases, but typical cases to explain different strategies adopted by those companies who have become the leaders. They became leader because of their special supply chain strategy. That cases also briefly we will discuss. So, we wish you to be a part of the discussion and have a nice time and enjoy the class and make the best use of that. Thank you.